We have an 8-inch high carbon stainless steel knife. Comes in this beautifully designed box. Open it up. We'll take it out. Like I said, 8 inches long. Let's see how good it cuts. It is 8 inches for the blade, and then for the handle, it is 5 inches long. So I've been cutting things, just testing it out, and I was extremely impressed. Now I want to show you how impressed I was. So this is a melon, a honeydew, and it is very effortlessly. Like, I don't have to apply much force or anything. It's very smooth. It's a very clean, smooth cut. I mean, usually with knives, you have to apply a lot of force and a lot of effort. No. Here's a melon. Let's do a lemon. Sorry, a lemon. Go this way. Very smooth, very clean cut every time. Very smooth, very clean. I mean, it's just like melting through everything. It's such a nice clean cut. Let's do a carrot. Just a couple swipes, 1, 2, 3, and you're done. Very smooth, very clean cut. Again, I can't emphasize that enough. Let's do some bread. Bread, this is sourdough bread. And we're gonna cut some sourdough bread in a slice. Let's go this way here. And I'm gonna do just a little tip right here. Smooth, clean. Let's do another slice. Wow, truly a nice clean cut. This is gonna save a lot of time, you guys, because I'm not gonna have to constantly go back and forth trying to cut or anything like that. It's a very smooth melt type of cut. Very, very nice cut here. Let's do some paper. This is A4 paper, and I'm just gonna start an initial cut here, and then I'm gonna hold it and show you. Very clean, nice cut. Thanks for sending me this to review.